Family, what's good? It's your boy Big Homie back with another sneaker video. I know y'all ain't heard that in a while, but definitely this one right here, this is definitely a Big Homie pickup right here. You know, been waiting on this one to come in for the last 2 days. So we've had terrible storms here. Yesterday, UPS pump faked me all day. You know, they said it was on the way, it was about to get delivered. Kept pushing the time back, Next thing you know, delivery on the 12th. So they pushed the date back, so it is what it is. Pack touchdown, finally. And first thing I noticed, now I didn't get the Stewie yet, but you know, a lot of people were saying that those came in different box. So first thing I noticed, this box is not a 23 box. So that's a plus for one, because I didn't want to have to store another one of them boxes for one. But got it in. It's here, so we're about to unbox it and get into this thing. So this shoe right here, the whole line of it, Hardwood Classic line, I ain't even gonna, sugarcoat it or whatever. Oh, gave us a good box. So the Hardwood Classic line, just dope. Period. The color blocking and all that, check the box out, y'all. Yeah. Gave us a 7 box. Yeah, this is dope. So the Hardwood Classic line, that's one of my favorites. Like that blue one, I'll take any of them, but that blue suede one, 7, hands down for me. That's my number 2 of all time. Kentucky 7, Hardwood Classic 7, Christ the King 7. They're my top 3 7s. But yeah, glad we got a not so big 23 big dumbass box. So like I said, pack touchdown today. Been waiting for it. We just gonna get straight into it. Let y'all see the tag on there. And this reads LeBron 23 PER, Game Royal White Safety Orange, size 13. We're gonna jump straight into this thing. So how y'all feel about the 23? So on this one right here, you slide the box out. It's got the LJ 23 on this side. What does it say? Friendship, loyalty, trust. Then on this side, it says the LeBron 23 Nike check. How y'all feel about the Hardwood Classic? I love it. Damn, we didn't get the box, but we got enough paper for a couple shoes. Let's get them both out of there. Now, y'all know I usually throw my boxes away because everything going into a drop front. I already made space for these down there, so these are definitely going to a drop front, but I am going to keep this box. I ain't gonna, Yeah, I'm going to keep this box. So, let's get into the kit. Left shoe, white with the blue. Right shoe, white with the orange. Now, I know everybody doesn't like, when Brian does the mismatch shoes. I know that because, I see it all the time, when I post kicks all the time, and people always saying, oh, man, why can't we get a, a solid color? We could have, if they'd have been, hey, man, it's just a kick. So we got like the chosen 2 on this one, the Media Day 7. We got, what else is mismatched? There's so many now I can't find none, but there's more of them that are mismatched. I don't mind it at all, because I like it. So, it is what it is. So we just go with this left shoe. It's got the, it's like a pearl white. All this is like a pearl white with the blue leather upper. Back here, you got the LJ 23 logo. This one is blue with the orange letters. Come around on the inside, orange Nike check. Nothing different on the laces or anything like that. But you do got like that speckled, Nike sign that's on the Hardwood Classic 7. So left shoe, with the blue upper. Right shoe got the orange upper. So same as the other one. Oh, and then I forgot the bottom. Bottom on this one is orange. Bottom on this one is blue. So on the right shoe, same. Like I said, this is damn near like a pearl though. Like I'm looking at it, I'm tripping. Damn near like a pearl. With the orange upper. Like I said, on this one, on the only thing different, you got the blue Nike check. And then on this one, you got the white, what you want to call it, little pod or whatever, little shield with the blue LJ 23 logo. Yeah. Nothing super spectacular, but it's just in the Hardwood Classic colors. And then this one just got lot 23, blah, 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 LBJ, I can't even really see it. Say LBJ7 2010. Yeah, that's on the inside of right there. And then I think what it got on the other one. Same thing on the other one. So yeah, I just wanted to, unbox with y'all. My reviews ain't super in-depth. We going for aesthetics over here because y'all know your boy ain't hooping. We just trying to, get something that looks the part. So yeah, I did see it. So you see this one got the white Nike check with the orange border on it, and it's got those speckles in it. Then this one's got a blue border on it, outline on it, with the speckles in it. So yeah, just small little touches. Like I said, when he played in these in the game, I was like, yeah, I definitely have to have those. Like, I'm going to get the Stewie. I'm going to get, all the other ones. But this one right here, like the Hardwood Classic in general, it's like, one of my favorite colorways in the bronze. So definitely had to grab these. Just wanted to come on, show y'all, hey, pack touchdown, got him into the Bron cave. This pair 205 in the Bron collection. We steady going on the road to 250. So y'all can just go ahead and get used to that series, road to 250, because it's only right. Like I said, it's only up from here. I got other pairs in mind. Actually, I got like 3 pair. Well, I say 5 pair like on the list that's up next. And a non-Bron that's on that list because, I still do my Nike basketball. But yeah, comment down below if you like, Hardwood Classics 23. You don't like the blocking. I always just want to hear something. But yeah, like I said, pair 205 in the Bron collection. Just wanted to come on and do a quick little unboxing with y'all, get some first impressions. I'm really impressed by that box. I like that box. And I like the fact, like I said, we didn't get that ginormous box that we got on the for the rest of the 23s. So probably gonna grab the Stewie next. Then I got I'm doing some reachbacks. So I was doing I'm trying to stay away from just a bunch of GRs, but the ones that I'm going to reach back and get, I definitely have to have these because they complete sets. It's 2 SVSMs and it's a 10, 2 SVSMs, a 10, a 7, and something else. Can't remember. But yeah, definitely got 3, lined up, or 5 lined up. And like I said, a non-Bron that I'm gonna have to grab. But I'm probably gonna grab those when we come back from our trip. Because I don't want that. I don't want to pay for it. And then that box we sit on the porch, that'd be, bad news. But yeah, just like I was going through it, looking for these, waiting for these to get here, and they finally here. So I'm just happy to pack touchdown. Like I like to get my stuff, if I can get it in the store, because I hate to wait. But like me being me, I know I just don't want to go to the store sometimes. So I got to order online. I just got to wait. I'm just impatient. I wish I could just DoorDash everything and then show up to the house. But yeah, comment down below what you think about the Hardwood Classics 23. More pickups on the way. Definitely gonna be some more Bron content. So be on the lookout and be ready for it. So comment, like, subscribe, share the video. Hey, we going up. And check me out on Instagram, Big Homie Kicks 80. There all day. Always talking kicks. And I will catch y'all in the next one.